Using add-ons are a great way to add enhancements to your smart notebook. Simply click the puzzle piece in the top of your menu bar, and here you can change the alignment of any object or even add an equation. When you select Add an Equation, you can see you have a lot of special features and different symbols that you can add to your smart notebook. When you're done typing, simply insert equation. Now that the equation is inserted, it becomes just another object where I can resize it, change the orientation, or move it wherever I need. To lock an object in place, simply select the drop-down menu in the top right corner of that object. Here you can clone, create an infinite cloner, or go to lock and lock in place. You also have a shortcut for every option on the right. Now that it's locked in place, it'll stay right where you put it without being moved. This is a very important feature because it can get frustrating when all your things keep moving. To unlock, select the same drop-down menu and choose Unlock. Now, you can maneuver it as you could before. Another option for adding an equation is to simply draw it. Select the bottom equation button and then start to write in the box provided for you. Grab a pen and begin to mark. It's important to know that you must mark in the Smart Notebook if you want it to recognize the symbols. If you're drawing right on your whiteboard, it can't see it. Now that I wrote my equation, you can see it transfers it into a readable format at the bottom. Creating nodes in add-ons allows you to create a mind map or organize your materials. Simply click Create Node, and then the plus button at the bottom will allow you to add other pieces that you want to attach to it. You can see I can add as many as I would like and move them anywhere I want. If I want to connect two nodes that are not added by a plus button, I simply take my pen and draw a line between them. Now they're connected. The last button that's preloaded onto your add-ons here at the bottom right-hand corner is the GeoGebra widget. When I select it, you can see that the GeoGebra widget is inserted directly onto my page. Here I can use the tools in this widget to add points or discuss distances, talk about graphing or functions, because all of my information shows up here on the left-hand side. I can even create lines to connect and maybe add a third point. There you can see everything aligns. All of my information then shows up here on the left-hand side, including my functions, and I have a lot of options then on what I want to do with my data and how I want to interact with it. This is a great tool for students to investigate things like algebra and geometry, but it will take some training.